My name is Matthew. I've worked at Cranes for 9 years. I'm the senior team leader in the factory.
My name's Ben. I've worked at Cranes for 6.5 years and I work in manufacturing.
So day-to-day work will be the flow of the factory, picking, cutting out, manufacturing, painting, finishing the products, loading the products. The Salvador is a self-cutting saw. We pick the buildings and use an operating system called Athena, which then gets uploaded to the Salvador saw, which then cuts the buildings to exact size.
In cladding, we apply the cladding to the frames, whether it be weatherboard, shiplap or vertical cladding, making sure that it's to production drawings.
So for the new spray line, there's a big rail system. You hang the buildings up, they move along to the robotic sprayer, then get sprayed, go into the drying room for 20-30 minutes, and then we can get them through into the finishing department, start getting them glazed and get them ready for the customer. What excites me the most is we've developed one area and we can also develop more. So the quality of buildings could get even better than what they are at the moment. Health and safety could get even better at the moment, and processes during the whole factory could be even better.
I do like working here because the camaraderie, consistency of the work, proud of the fact that the buildings go all over the country and they're made in Norfolk.
It's a premium garden building company that's been built from scratch from Norfolk, so the reputation is very high. So working for a company that's based in Norfolk is great for job satisfaction.